Hello from Slovenia again. I still have those paints mixed from yesterday with Ultimate Pouring Medium by Pebeo and Nancy Wood. And I was inspired by Nikki D, an YouTube artist. I know her from 2 years back, and she's just an amazing artist with the bloom technique and everything. So lately she does these flowers that she blows them out, but I'm not using bloom technique. I just have those paints from yesterday mixed with Ultimate Pouring, as I said, and my base will be again this Vallejo Phthalo Emerald. I love this color. And I see that you have a glare. Just a second. It's okay now. Yes, it is. I did thicken them up a little bit because yesterday I did a Dutch pour and its consistency was really thin. So today I will try to do I will just do a puddle and blow it out with my mouth. Just spin this to get the coverage. So I will just do kind of a puddle. This is Prussian, I think Prussian Phthalo from Vallejo, and Pebeo Iridescent blue-green. It's not total puddle. And permanent violet. And gold. It's just Amsterdam gold. And titanium white. Let's add just a little bit here too. Okay. Now I will try to blow this out. Didn't do a nice job here. This one is okay. Not a lot of lacing here, and I don't like what is happened here. With this, let's do just one more puddle on top. So let's play a little bit. I will just try to add some white on this little palette knife and do some swipes, so I will basically just play a little bit more. So let's go from here, kind of. Don't like this swirl here at all. So I'm obviously struggling with this totally in different way that I started. So let's try to fix that part a little bit. Okay. Better. And this swirl here is not my thing neither. Let's swipe through here too. Okay, much better. Kind of busy, but the lacing is just amazing. I just need a little something here, I think, here, on this part. So one more little swipe, and then I will take you for a close-up. Oh, this white lacing on top is just amazing. So here is a close-up. Lacing and everything is just beautiful. Just have to work on the composition. I like this lacing here, that it's almost invisible but it's still there, and I definitely like how it looks where is negative space and this swipe on. So next experiment with this Ultimate Pouring Medium will be a swipe. I'm a little afraid because Nancy is just amazing in these swipes and I'm not as good, and Nikki D also, so hopefully I can get something kind of nice, but just want to show you the effects. They're just beautiful. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.